Get over there. Where's your belly? Show us your belly. Where's your belly? Touch your belly. Oh, it's falling off. Where's your belly? Show Mommy your belly. Where's your belly? I'm gonna get it. Look, he's trying to take his shirt off. Look at.
You did, Daddy.
Yeah. Okay, show Mommy your belly now. Brody. Look at Mommy. Is that your belly?
Put that shirt back on.
Where's your belly? Get your belly. Look at Mommy. Where's your belly? Hey, say hi, Mommy. Brody, say hi. Say hi to Mommy. Brody. Brody.